Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case unpackaging, the Sennheiser PC8 USB headset. We can see the headset itself on the front through some molded plastic packaging with the Sennheiser branding on top and the model number right here. We can also see that it is useful for internet communication, e-learning and gaming. Up here we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you look at the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. On the back we have some specifications right here. The specifications include Sennheiser SoundWire USB. It has a microphone that has noise cancellation for voice clarity. It also has controls for volume and muting, and it is built to last for daily use. Underneath that, we have some importer and manufacturing information, and on the sticker we can see some information about the customer care as well. In the middle we can see an image of the product itself, and on the left are the technical specifications of the cable, which is 2 meters long. Apart from that, we have a few barcodes right here, and right here, and at the corner we can see some information about its recycling and disposable. That's about it on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's see what we get. Here we have some reading material in multiple languages that basically has some important safety information that the user should know about. And we have the product itself. Let's start with this end. We can see that it has a plastic headband and it is pretty flexible. Even the inside is made from plastic. On the headphone cups, we can see some glossy plastic finish, and on the inside we have some chrome finish. And right in the middle we have the Sennheiser logos and a metallic grille. We also get the microphone, which is adjustable. The wire is round in shape and has a rubbery finish. And getting to the inline remote, we can see a volume control wheel on the side and a switch that can be used to mute the microphone. We also have a pretty chunky USB Type A interface that can be used to plug into a PC and basically install the drivers that are necessary, and you are good to go. This has been the unboxing of the Sennheiser PC8 USB headphones. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.